이웃집에서 시끄럽게 벌어진 파티로 인해 경찰이 출동했습니다. 근데 경찰들의 반응이 너무 웃기네요.
Who's gonna answer that? I like 50 Cent too, but who's gonna answer that? You want me to kick your toe? It's loud as fuck. No.
Hey, hi. You want tacos?
We would. Hey, tacos sound crazy.
Come in. Guys, tacos.
We would.
Tacos.
Somebody's hating. So somebody over here, you guys didn't invite. Bring them a plate of barbecue. So
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You want me to bring the tacos?
No, it's fine.
다행히 타코 유혹에서 힘들게 벗어난 경찰들. 집주인이 센스 있게 들고 나타났다면 경찰들이 어떤 반응이었을지 너무 궁금해집니다.